This is the Makita 18V Brushless high-speed screw gun. With exclusive push drive technology, the 18V 4000 RPM screwdriver is designed to make sheeting walls fast. The lock-on button allows continuous screw driving without the need to pull the trigger each time. We use this to sheet bathroom walls, but you can also use this to screw off decking. With extreme protection technology, this tool is made to suit the harshest conditions when on site. Because of this, sheeting walls is a quick job. With a 3-year warranty covered by Makita Australia, this high-speed screw gun from Trade Tools will allow you to sheet bathroom walls and screw off decks really quick, making you perform well and get jobs done faster. And you don't even need to go into Trade Tools these days. Check out the Trade Tools website and purchase your tools there. Go and have a look at their same-day delivery on selected tools. They even do delivery to site.